In this video, we'll learn how to add a shake effect in After Effects. Start by going to the top menu bar and clicking on Window. From here, make sure Effects and Presets and Effects Control are both enabled. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop this effect onto your video clip. In the Effects Control panel, set the output width and output height to 250. Also, make sure to check the box that says Mirror Edges. This will help hide the black edges when we add the shake. Now go back to the Effects panel and search for Wiggle Position. Drag and drop it onto your clip. This is the main effect that will create the shake. Set the wiggle speed to around 20. You can adjust it based on how fast you want the shake to be. Move your playhead to where you want the shake to start. In the Effects Control panel, click the stopwatch icon next to Wiggle Amount to add a keyframe. Set the value to 0 so the clip starts with no shake. Now move the playhead forward a few frames and set the wiggle amount to 50 or any number that works for your video. This will make the shake effect appear. Move the playhead forward a few more frames and set the wiggle amount back to 0. This will end the shake. To make the effect look more natural, scroll down to the Transform section. Uncheck the box that says Use Composition Shutter Angle. Then set the shutter angle to a higher value. This will add some motion blur and make the shake feel more realistic. That's it. Play the video to preview the final result. The shake effect is now added to your clip. Thanks for watching.